Yo, everybody over there at Binn's Elementary School. This is Flash from Bikers Against Bullies USA. I hope everybody's doing great today. You guys having a good day? Come on, let me hear ya. Well done. I want to say thank you to my friends Ace and everybody over there at the Columbus, Ohio chapter. You guys are the first school these guys have ever been able to go to, and it's a big deal for us out here. We're way over in Montana right now, but I want to tell you that 7 years ago, my daughter, who was 6 years older than I, we started Bikers Against Bullies USA. And really, we didn't know where it was going to go, but it's gone all over the nation. And the reason I think is because we don't tell you what not to do. We don't say, don't eat the brownies, don't eat the brownies, don't eat the brownies. What we just basically share with you is what we do and the choices we make. Because life is all about choices. And I hope you're going to enjoy that today with these people. And maybe when you walk away from here today, you start making some choices of your own. Remember, you can be as cool as you want to be and make great choices every day. There are no strangers in our lives, just friends we haven't met yet. And in the meantime, right now, let's blow some stuff up and have some fun. Rubber down!